The misconception is that, oh, I'm going to do lots of math in first grade and get them ahead. And it doesn't work like that. What we do with them in a Waldorf school, we have them do handwork, we have them do lots of movement, we have them do music.
How can I develop the children's memory? They enter first grade with this sense of wonder. We have discovered that math is in the world. We have symmetry. We have weight, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
2, 3, 4, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So the two things more than anything is a sense of number and the arithmetic facts. Queen divide is fair and takes a given amount of things to share amongst people evenly and fairly. Picture that as being someone who is choleric.
2,533, and I have 2 3s in a row. Are they the same fellow?
71 minus 4, this is how I want to write 71 minus 4 in second grade. I don't want it to be vertical. That's why we said, again, to really delay carrying and borrowing until third grade. You're not doing a lot of procedural skills. Estimating is sadly neglected, and it is such a wonderful thing to help us develop this sense of number.
You are the teacher. You're preparing to present vertical multiplication.
Is it important that the 24 was written first and then the 120? No, it doesn't matter at all. We don't want to get too rigid.